Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. For today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Zoosk promo codes in 2025. So in order to get that, you just have to simply open a new tab, and here you need to search for Zoosk promo codes 2025. Now once you search for it, you will see a bunch of different websites that will be providing you 70% off coupon codes, promo codes, deals, etc. So you need to simply open these websites in a new tab and then hop on to them one by one. So let's say I've opened these two websites in front of you so that I could show you what all needs to be done. So this is a desidime.com website where you can find a bunch of different deals and promo codes for Zoosk. So you need to simply click on get coupon and you can just take a look at the coupon, and at the time of checkout you can just use that coupon. In the second method, if for any reason the coupon or the deal isn't working for you from one website, I would recommend you to go on the another one, because sometimes these websites genuinely provide you the codes and deals. So this is the get free trial, so if you are interested in it, click on this in order to activate the deal. And once the deal is activated, you just have to simply sign up with Zoosk and your trial will be activated. So this is how you can basically find Zoosk promo codes in 2025. If I find any of the promo codes, I will also try to give it in the description, so make sure you check that out as well. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.